Let's talk about what's really trending in the workplace across South Africa and the rest of the world. It is called quiet firing, and it's happening everywhere. As someone who deals with labor disputes daily, I see the same pattern over and over. Good employees suddenly being isolated, sidelined, or strategically set up to fail. You start doubting yourself, your confidence breaks, you go home emotionally drained, wondering what you did wrong. But the truth, they are slowly pushing you out without ever saying it to your face. Quiet firing happens through reduced duties, impossible targets, exclusion, or micromanaging. All classic signs of constructive dismissal under the LRA. If you feel you are being erased, ignored, or punished for no clear reason, it's not in your head. It's a calculated workplace trend, and it can cost you your career if you don't act fast. Protect your job, protect your mental health, and protect your rights. Check out the bio for contact details. Labour Hand SA will guide you exactly what to do next.